Welcome to my studio. I call it my studio, but in reality it's one end of the spare room in my house, the box room. Let's take a look. I wanted to create a space where the barrier to content creation was as minimal as possible. Somewhere where I can shoot without the need to set up tripods and lights every time I want to make something. I wanted a set, a backdrop, something I can shoot from multiple angles. I want my viewers to recognise the space each time they watch one of my videos, and in that way let the space become a character in its own right. Like most, I only have a limited amount of space, and it has to serve multiple purposes. Function and aesthetics had equal importance when I was thinking about how to use the space that I have. Tripods and light stands take up too much space, and they make it difficult to move around. They take time to set up, time to pack away. This is time when I could be creating. This is why I have everything attached to my desk. No setup needed, no floor space required. Everything is ready to go 100% of the time. I have lighting, camera and audio all on one mount. I even have space for a monitor, if you count the app that links to my camera. An identical mount serves as an overhead rig, and everything is set up and ready to go 100% of the time. It's often said that gear doesn't matter, and whilst I do subscribe to this philosophy, we can't help but accumulate it. Key to getting the most out of the gear you have is knowing what you have and where it is. Organisation is vital, and something I thought a lot about when I was planning this space. Everything I use regularly should be within an arm's reach, and I shouldn't have to go digging through a random box of crap to find what I'm looking for. I have a place for everything, and everything is grouped. All the GoPro stuff is together. All the moment stuff is together. Everything is organised. I wanted to keep this studio nice and simple. The place I sit and shoot is the place I sit and edit. The same room, the same desk, the same chair. This is not my first attempt at a studio space, and it's not even my second. It may evolve over the coming weeks and months. It may change from what it is right now. But somehow, this seems right. Links to all the products I use in my studio are in the description box down below. Part 2 of this mini series on my studio will go into more details about my one-arm YouTube studio rig. That will be coming soon, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you do and hit that notification bell so that you know when it's uploaded. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you would like more of this type of content, then hit that subscribe button. While you're down there, why not hit the bell? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.